Yes. For today's video, we are taking a suggestion from the comments. So I will show you how to draw a BULBASauR, easy step by step. So grab your art supplies and let's get into it.
Goggles, check. Gloves, check. Danky, hit the lightning. Professor Scribbles! Ha 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 ha!
So first, let's start off with his ears. I like to think of it as pointy cat ears. But I'm not happy with that one. Let's start again. So first step, Scribbles usually draws the head first. It helps me get a sense for where I am going. So now we will draw the mouth. And let's maybe move on to maybe the eyes. The eyes to me are kind of shaped like candy corn. Let's give him his little squiggly lines over his eyes, and then his teeth, because Bulbas need to eat. Now it looks like we have most of the features on the face done. Let's start his first leg. And we can't forget his little claws. Dinky, was it BULBASauR that swipes? Well, I guess all of them can swipe technically. Never mind then. Let's finish his other front leg. And now we move on to the back. Draw a little line to represent his stomach, and then we'll start on the back leg. Now the last leg. And now that we have his body, let's move on to the plant-like flower bulb on his back. Why, Dinky, is that why he's called BULBASauR? I just got it. So we draw the lines for the bulb, and then let's see what is left. We will finish his eyes. They're rather big, Becky. And then we have his spots. Let's throw one on the leg, on the other leg. He's almost like a Dalmatian. Throw a few spots on his face. And voila! I think we're ready to color him, Dinky. What do you think? I agree. So let's begin. Now for this part, Dinky, I think there's no more advice I can give except have fun coloring. And let's get into it.
Thank you for watching me draw today. If you like what you see, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Until next time, Danky in the video!